Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Simon Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about airplane. We're going to learn new characters and new expression related to airplane. It will be very useful if you're living or traveling to China. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go to our website. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. And let's start our course today. So first of all, we have two characters, 飞机. We have learned 机 before, which means machine, and here 飞, which means fly, so the machine that can fly in the sky, airplane. 飞机, 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 both flatten. 飞, read after me. 飞机, 飞机. And then we have depart, 出发. 出发, 出发, both flatten. 出发, read after me. 出发. And then to arrive, 到达. 到 and 达 both have the meaning of arrive. 到 first turn, 到达 second turn. 到达, 到达, read after me. 到达. And then to transfer, 转机. 转机, 转机. 机 here means plane, and 转 means to change, to transfer. 转机, 转机, 转, third turn, 转机, flatten, 转机. And then a few slash, 机身, 机身, both flatten. 机 which indicates plane, 飞机, 机, and 身 which means body. 机身, 机身, both flatten. 机身, 机身. And then wing, 机翼, 翼 which means wing, and it's the wing of the plane. 机翼, 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 机 flatten, 翼 first turn, 机翼. And then tail, 机尾, 尾 which means tail, and tail of the plane, which is 机尾, 机尾, 机尾. And then we have engine, 引擎, 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 which is directly translated from the sound of this English engine. 引 third turn, 引擎, second turn, 引擎, 引擎. And then airstrip, 飞机跑道, 飞机 plane, 飞机跑 run, 道 road, so this is a road for the plane to run. 飞机跑道, 飞机跑道, 跑 third turn, 道 first turn, 飞机跑道. And then we have cockpit, 驾驶舱, 驾驶舱, 驾驶 means drive. 舱 which means a small room, a cabin or tank. And here cockpit, 驾驶舱, 驾驶舱, 舱 flatten, 驾驶 drive, 驾驶舱. And then captain, 机长, 机 which means 飞机, 长 which means the captain or the leader. 机长, 机长. And co-pilot, 副机长, 副 which means co, which means which means vice, assistant. Co-pilot, 副机长, 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 副 first turn, just add it before captain. 副机长, 副机长. And then flight attendant, 乘务员, 乘 second turn, 务 first turn, 员 second turn, 乘务员, 乘务员, 乘务员. And then air hostess, 空姐, 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 姐 which means older sister, So the old sister on the plane is air hostess. 空姐空姐 And then first class 头等舱And then first class 头等舱头等舱头等舱头 which means head 等 level 舱 we have plural which means cabin, small room or tank 头等舱 Business class 商务舱 So very important word 商务 which means business 商务舱商 flatten 务 first turn 舱 flatten 商务舱 read after me 商务舱商务舱 And then we have economy class. Again, economy, very important. 经济经济舱 flatten 经济舱 read after me 经济 first turn 经济economy 经济舱 Lavatory 盥洗间盥 first turn 盥洗间盥洗间 And then we have overhead compartment 头顶行李箱头 means head 顶 above So the compartment is above your head In 行李 we have learned before which means luggage 舱 again a small room like this 头顶行李舱头顶行李舱 Sometimes you can omit the 头顶 just use 行李舱 And then cargo hold 货舱货舱货 which means commodity, cargo, we have learned before 货舱货舱货舱 And then window seat 靠窗座位 We didn't use window seat like literally. Here 靠 which means beside. So the seat is beside the window. 靠窗 window 座位 seat. 靠窗座位靠窗座位 So 座位 seat. 靠窗座位靠 first turn 窗 flatten 座位 first turn 靠窗座位 Read after me 靠窗座位 And then folding table, tray table 折叠餐桌折叠 folding 餐桌 table 折叠餐桌折叠餐桌 And then sun visor 遮阳板遮阳板遮 flatten 阳 second tone 板 third tone Read after me 遮阳板遮阳板 And then we have very important one emergency exit 紧急出口紧急 which means emergency Both of these two characters have the meaning of emergency 紧急紧急 and exit 出口出口紧急出口紧急出口 And then life jacket 救生衣救 means save 生 means life and 衣 cloth jacket 救生衣救生衣救生衣救 first turn 生 flatten 衣 flatten 救生衣 Read after me 救生衣 So this is a course day. We have learned a lot of new characters and new expression. So I hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework of reading. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it, and please click the subscription if you haven't already subscribed, and the little bell icon so you can get notification for the next video we posted. And thank you very much. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye.